Hello everybody, my name is Jenny and welcome to my brand new channel, Yes You Can Home Educate. I live in England in the Midlands with my husband and our 6 children, and I've been a home educator for some 5 years now. Just to explain the twang, apparently I have a slight twang still. I am originally from Australia, so I've been here over 20 years and it's now my home. I love England and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. So one of the great things about living in England is that we have the freedom to home educate. For any Americans that may be watching this, that's homeschooling. People call it homeschooling or home educating over here, but quite often in the forums you do get some sticklers who say no, it's not homeschooling, it's home education in this country, and homeschooling is something different. It is when children who are in the school system and can't learn at school for whatever reason are funded at home to do school at home, which is organised by the school system. So that's why they make the distinction of homeschooling and home education. Home educators are those like me who have chosen to educate their children outside of the school system. We've been home educating for some 5 years. I did think about it a lot before we started having children, but in the end we didn't do it. I chickened out. These homeschooling mothers that I'd met and seen online and met in real life, they seemed so perfect. It seemed like such an impossible task, and that you had to be a super mum to do so. And I chickened out and I put my children in school, and we were very lucky. They went to a lovely village school near where we live, and it worked out well for them. But when my oldest son went to start secondary school, things changed. It's a bit of a postcode lottery where we live, and it's very difficult to get into the school that you want. Many people don't get the school that they want, and my son was placed in a school that he absolutely did not want to be in. So that was the time when we again revisited the idea of home education. He was willing to give it a go, and we took the plunge. End of 2019 hit, and we were all locked down. I think it was 2019 or early 2020. So we were all home educating. Everyone in the country was home educating, and I had all my 6 children at home. My youngest then was too young to be doing any formal schooling, but I was home educating. Everybody was at home for that time, and we realised that we could do it. We were able to have everyone learning at home, facilitating the older ones, directly teaching the younger ones. I mean, we're always teaching, aren't we, as parents, as part of being a parent. So, like I say, it's incredibly rewarding. You're able to tailor the learning to your own child and to your own lifestyle choices and the things that are important to you. There's a whole parallel universe of homeschoolers out there that you'll discover whole communities of people, groups meeting throughout the day when everyone's at work or in the school system. It's home educators learning at home or out and about, meeting, doing field trips to places that are not crowded, and it's a wonderful thing to be able to take advantage of if you can do so. So I have had now experience in teaching my nursery age child who would be starting reception, and she has just taken to it like a duck to water. She just joins in with her older siblings. She wants to learn. She sits at the table and asks to do her work and be given books and paper and pens, and she's recognising letters and numbers, and she comes to our home ed groups. My older children, my primary age children, are doing various curriculums and subjects, and being able to learn freely and spend time on things without having to stop to a bell, without being restricted. Right down the other end of the spectrum, my eldest is 16 and he's finishing GCSE. So for us, it is important for them to do the qualifications they want to do it. I think it makes moving into the working world or further education a lot easier, so that's how we've chosen to do it. I think that one of the main things that gave me my confidence in those early days was the generosity and kindness of other homeschoolers who invariably wanted to share their knowledge and experience and encouragement. So that's where the idea for this channel came out of. I'd love to pay that forward and be able to help others. People come to me now and I'm able to help them, and it's really lovely to be able to do that, because I remember what it was like to be starting out. It can be quite overwhelming. So if you're starting out, or if you've been doing it for some time, welcome. I hope to cover all things homeschooling, from starting out to resources, to book reviews, to looking at what kind of things you can take advantage of that are online, to the kinds of groups you can join out in the real world and take advantage of, to the days in the life, things that we do in our home, things that you can just learn from. Also the things that don't work, it's always good to learn from those as well. So I hope to see you in future videos. I hope to interact with you. If there's anything that you'd like me to cover, please put it in the comments. Thank you for getting this far on my first video. I hope it's not too cringy when I come back to look at it in time to come. And if you like what you see and you'd like to learn more, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.